Erina TL again, and guess what a girl is doing? Woo! Farm time, farm time. I told you, by the time we finish all this village life, you will be crowning me the farmer of the year, #1 farmer of the year. So I'm with my ninja still, Davy. What are we going to do? You see across there on the other side, Davis tells me he planted some watermelons, and you know it's been a little hot, so we have to water them. Watering is key. Yeah, yesterday he sprayed them, but we have to spray them after 2 days. Yesterday he sprayed them as I was working on something. I think I was the one helping at home by yesterday when he was spraying. So today when he was watering, he can't do it alone, but it takes longer time. I always tell you, teamwork does wonders. So we are sloping that side to go to his watermelon garden and water. I felt like, okay, let me take since I'm an international content creator, let me take my ninjas along with me. Come and see. Some of you have never seen watermelons in garden. You only see them as salads on plates and what. Come and see them. By the way, I'm dressed to suit the occasion. Those are the gumboots. I have the drinking water with me just there. So come on, let's do this. I know we can do. Farm side, it used to be for cows, but these days they dig from there, and this side is for garden. So we have to put this fence to prevent the cows from crossing over this side. So I'm not trespassing in any way. Doing the right thing.
Welcome to our garden. This is our watermelon garden, which I planted like 3 months back. It has been a long process, right away from buying the seeds, soaking them in water, planting them.
Why do you soak them?
Yeah, we soak them if the soil where you are going to plant is still dry. Because if you bring them right away from the farm supply and you plant them, they may dry completely. So when you buy the seeds, you soak them for 24 hours, and then of course after preparing your land, so the land was prepared already, and then we planted. So right away from planting and then weeding up to where they have reached. So this is our well where we normally get water. Did you dig it? Because the 3 months back I've been watering. We have been in a dry condition, so I've been watering every day. So this is our source of water where I normally get the water from. And then I use these are watering cans, of course, that we normally use.
When we're in school, they used to ask us a question in the agriculture class: what is the best time for watering plants?
Yeah, of course, I've been watering late in evening. Yeah, starting from 5 onwards.
Why?
We believe at that time there is no hot sunshine. Yeah, because when you water during a hot day, it means whatever water that you're going to put on a plant, it will just evaporate, so nothing will be done. That's why you water late in the evening, or you can do it very early in the morning. Yeah, so those are the two options you can use. So we are going to start the process. I normally just bend, I get my water.
I thought we were going to use the jerry cans you brought.
No. Yeah, even jerry cans we shall use. So, get my water, about 30 to 35 jerry cans of water.
Wow.
I come this side. So it is hectic work.
So let me ask, one will be watering and then one comes to draw the water? Oh.
Yeah, to draw water.
So that means we are going to use one watering can?
No, I normally come with the second person. He carries 2 watering cans.
Okay.
As I come and I pick water for him.
Whoa.
That we first of the process.
So, who's going to carry the cans? Who's watering?
I think you will.
You do what?
You will water, and then I bring for you water.
Maybe we shall keep altering.
Yeah.
Woo!
So, let us go and see the process. So, you may ask me why I'm not watering leaves. Of course, you just put the water on the stem.
When we were younger, we used to just water leaves. Little did we know it was useless.
That is, you do that when you are spraying this side, yeah?
Oh.
But here, you just put the stem.
How many plants are here?
They are over. They are between 150 to 200.
Wow. So each is giving one, or it can even give more than one?
Like every plant has more than 3 branches. So you see, every branch bears a fruit.
Okay.
Because this is a branch, it has a fruit. This is a branch, it has a fruit. And this is a branch, it has a fruit. So every plant has
various branches.
Various branches, but every branch bears a fruit.
Wow.
It is not that every plant has one fruit. Yeah, but on that plant you can find even like 5 fruits.
Wow.
So hard.
Because farming is commitment. Yeah. When we were younger, we were only taken to harvest. We didn't know what the process was, so we would just enjoy playing around in the garden as we help to harvest. But it's not easy at all, you know. The few days I've been here and witnessing some things, is I'm just getting to appreciate what was there when we were growing up. Finding the stem, you pull on the stem.
You estimate like a cup. So the reason as to why we are spacing, because you see how we call it, how do you call it in agriculture? Creeping, eh?
Creeping.
Yeah, okulanda in our local language. So that's why when we are planting, the spacing is always 2 meters.
Okay. Oh, this one has put on a big fruit.
Yeah.
Wow. So how long will it take for us to eat this one? So the more water you give them, is the sweeter the melon will be? No, the more it will like grow, eh? Because water dissolves minerals, eh? Yeah, so when minerals are dissolved, they will move directly to the fruit. So you see, we did some mulching. We wanted to cover, our plan was covering the whole garden with dry grass, but grass. So mulching will just prevent the growth of weeds. You can imagine they have stayed here for almost a month when we last weed, but you don't see so many weeds. Eh? Till all the other side, all that side. Yeah. How are we going to finish in time? We are going to finish. So actually, that is the importance of those logs which are there. To lean on. When you're not strong, even for spraying, you use this water. Yeah, even spraying. But for spraying, I make sure I filter it. Eh? Oh, why?
Of course, in those nozzles for a sprayer.
Oh, they can get blocked.
Yeah, they can get
So you
blocked
filter
with
it with what?
any cloth can work.
Wow. Guys, this guy is a ninja. Remember where we stopped?
Ugenda kuva eno ng'okoze akanyama. So this work is better than being in a gym. Eh?
Yeah. We are doing productive work.
Mm-hmm.
Your energy to do.
Aha. At the same time building your body.
So do you remember where we stopped?
Up there somewhere.
So
There.
you continue as I bring for you the other one. What do you think?
Yeah.
Because me, I can't remember where we stop. Let him water as I fetch. Yeah.
So these are insects. So they eat up the fruit and then they prevent it from increasing in size.
But you've been spraying.
Yeah, I've been spraying, but of course, you know, there are some which are resistant. Eh? Yeah, so this is wilting. They are wilting off. So this one.
Is there anything you can do to redeem them?
So this one can be lack of enough water, yeah, or insufficient, minerals.
Okay.
Yeah, because what makes the fruits to increase in size, it is nitrogen and urea. So I need to buy that fertilizer.
Yeah, urea from urine. We just urinate and bring.
No, we have to get the other fertilizer, urea. It is always like crystals of salt. Eh?
Okay.
So we just put them on a stem, and then when I water, it will dissolve.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is the only solution I use. But this is so bad. So you see now this one is almost.
Is it only in a specific section or? Because why would we say that there is no urea? If there is no urea, we would consider maybe it's a specific section that doesn't have. So all watermelons actually, it must be a section, because even here, because others are doing well, but then even here, this one, even its leaves are getting yellowish.
Now that yellowing is the nitrogen deficiency. So we just have to buy fertilizer like NPK has nitrogen.
NPK, can you say NPK in full?
NPK is nitrogen, potassium, no, phosphorus and potassium.
My ninjas, a girl child is on workout. See where I ran to get the water near those palms. I've been there like so far 5 times already. Ooh, we just came to get a sip of water. So Davis, what is this? This bottle for?
So that one is an insect trap.
Yeah, there are insects inside. I hope you guys
see.
I don't know.
Insects inside. So this one traps those they are called dragonflies.
Dragonflies.
Yeah. So those dragonflies, especially the female ones, have a tendency of coming and visit our flowers here. So once it drops there, the flower will automatically die off. And just
it has a chemical it releases.
So just know our fruits here come from flowers.
Yeah.
As you know, science. So
pollination.
So now what we do is this trap contains a smell of a male dragonfly. Okay. So now that female fly will come looking for that smell, forgetting that it is dangerous.
Sounds wanting to do bad manners.
So when it enters inside, it is just trapped by that smell, which is poisonous to them. So they just die off. That's how we manage them.
Wow.
Yeah.
Science. Too small.
Yeah, this one is too small. Compared to this one.
Yeah, compared to even to those we saw up there.
Compared to this one. So the only reason is every plant has its own plant nutrients. Now you may find the other part that died off, it never had the nutrients required for watermelons. That's why the other side up is they are a bit looking good, they are bearing fruits.
Yeah.
So that's so they are not at the same level. Just because
the different soil nutrients.
Yeah.
But then I would think because when it rains, the water will flow coming this side. I would assume that the lower side has more nutrients than the upper side.
It can be in that way, but the only reason as to why I'm not agreeing with it, because I've not had heavy rains. So we have finally concluded our process of watering.
Took us like an hour or
I think 1 hour, yeah.
Yeah. I ran up and down like 10 times.
I've been using so many insecticides, so many fertilizers for them to reach this stage. Yeah, so work has not been easy, but persistence.
So you as like a young farmer, of course you are, and now as a young farmer, yeah, so what would you tell like your fellow youth out there? Most of them are just on TV gaming, and their parents have big chunks of land, by the way.
Like me, as they've told you, I'm pursuing nursing. Right now, maybe I could be maybe making my own research more in nursing. But I left home and I came to the countryside, of course here in the village, just to have a little experience also in farming. Because what I believe what can make you successful is having so many sources of income.
Yeah, multiple sources of
experience
income.
I've got from this side. So when I excel in nursing, like I've got a job, I will back it up maybe with farming. I will do some farming, I will do some poultry, because I also learned some poultry. So what I urge my youth out there, don't die in books, making a lot of research.
Academic excellence is not everything.
So you have to also come back to our traditional farming and get that experience. There is money. There's money. You can imagine here, if God is on my side, every plant, we shall be getting over 50,000 shillings.
What?
Every plant.
I don't get you.
Because a very big watermelon ranges between 7,000 to 9,000. So assume you at every plant you have like 6 watermelons. How much is that money? If you remove the costs, like insecticides, fertilizers, you see, water has been for free, labor has been for free, so everything we've been doing it by our own. So now assume you don't know all this. You have to incur labor costs,
Of course.
Yeah, you have to buy each and everything, use workers and so forth. So by the end, you make a lot of profits. So if you back it up on your salary, you get some good money for a living.
Oh yes.
Yeah. If someone out there wants to partner with us, we have willing hearts.
Okay. Yeah. So should I share your contact in the description box?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, that's been me and my ninja Davi, Farmers of the Year. Yeah, Farmers of the Year. And so thank you so much for watching our vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a thing or two. And you can even plant these watermelons in your backyard.
Yeah.
Yes, because there you can take care of them just for your home consumption. Yeah, what is that kind of farming called? For home use?
You have subsistence.
It's the one for home use, right? Yeah, subsistence farming. Okay, you can do that. Yeah. So it's been your girl Erina TL. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And any questions you have, put them in the comment section below. And we shall see you in the next vlog. Tell a friend to tell another friend to tell another friend about Erina TL. Enter.
Yeah.